Have you ever thought about what would happen to your retirement if the economy were to suddenly shift? I'm not talking about a small dip. I'm talking about a major crash, inflation skyrocketing, or a banking crisis that makes your savings lose value overnight. You worked hard for your nest egg, so why leave it vulnerable? With everything happening in the world today, it's no surprise that millions of American retirees are looking for ways to protect what they've spent a lifetime building. And I'm about to show you one of the smartest ways to do just that. But first, let's talk about what's really going on in the economy. Right now, headlines are filled with rising inflation, the threat of more banking failures, and ongoing economic uncertainty. In fact, just last week, a report revealed that inflation rates are holding steady at over 6%. That means the money you have saved today could lose a significant portion of its value tomorrow, and then there's the looming fear of another financial crisis. Just this year, we saw major institutions like Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank fail. When banks fail, what happens to your money? It's a scary thought, but it's one that we can't ignore. Now, let me introduce you to a story that might sound all too familiar. Meet Barbara, a retired teacher from Wisconsin. After years of saving and investing in her 401k, she thought her future was set. But then, with the rising cost of living and the uncertainty in the market, she felt her hard-earned savings slipping away. She knew she needed a way to protect her money, but didn't know where to turn. That's when Barbara took a step that changed everything. She decided to roll part of her 401k into a gold IRA. With over $450,000 in her retirement account, Barbara knew that securing her savings with gold would provide a hedge against inflation, economic downturns, and uncertainty. And just like that, Barbara found peace of mind. Instead of worrying about the future, she knew her retirement was safe. So, why is a gold IRA such a powerful tool for protecting your nest egg? Well, gold has been a trusted store of value for centuries. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold isn't tied to the volatility of the market or the whims of politicians. And with the current state of the economy, it's one of the few assets that has consistently held its value over time. By rolling part of your savings into a gold IRA, you can safeguard your wealth and secure a future free from financial stress. No more worrying about rising inflation or the next financial crisis. Now, I know that making big financial decisions can feel overwhelming, but I want to reassure you that this isn't about high-pressure sales or gimmicks. This is about education, and I want to make sure you have all the information you need to make the right choice for your future. If you have at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call to help you understand how this can work for you. And if you're still unsure, no problem. This is about providing clarity, not pressure. Just imagine knowing that the retirement you've worked so hard to build is protected, whether it's for you, your children, or even your grandchildren. There's no time like the present to take action. So, take the next step today. Get your free guide, book your call, and let's start protecting your nest egg the way it deserves. You've earned it.